It has been nearly 30 years since three 8-year-old boys were discovered naked and hogtied in West Memphis, Arkansas. Three teenagers were charged and convicted in the deadly attack. But a decade ago, the West Memphis Three were released after entering an Alford plea. Today, one of the three, Damien Echols, was back in court. As WRG's Jarita Patterson reports, Echols has gone from fighting for his freedom to fighting for his name.
There was a large law enforcement presence outside the West Memphis District Courthouse Thursday, where there was also a large number of spectators who have been closely following a case dating back nearly 3 decades. We're talking about the West Memphis Three. One of the men convicted back in '94, Jason Baldwin, traveled nearly 700 miles to show his support for Damien Echols, who was headed back to court.
And I'm innocent. Damien is innocent. Jesse is innocent. And we deserve to have our lives back.
18 years after going to prison, they were released under an Alford plea, meaning they pled guilty while maintaining their innocence. Baldwin arguing after fighting to get out of confinement, they are now fighting to clear their names.
We deserve to have our lives back, and to have our honor, the honor of our names back.
Echols, flanked by his defense team, went before the court with a request. One supporter, Ginger Beck, sums up in 3 words.
Test evidence.
DNA evidence on ligatures used when tying up the 3 little boys who were discovered dead. However, prosecutors argue any DNA testing could forever alter the evidence. Judge Tanya Alexander threw up her hands to say they were tied because of the law that states in Arkansas, anyone petitioning for new DNA testing must still be imprisoned.
All we need is a simple change in the legislature to say, hey, look, anyone where there's new evidence and it can help them in a case where they're convicted, whether they're in custody or not in custody, should be able to have the opportunity to test it.
A test of patience for Damien Echols, a man who says he is still in the fight of his life.
Felt like they, would rather nitpick at aspects of the law than find out who actually killed these children.
Will you continue with your crusade?
We don't have any choice but to.
Off-camera, prosecutors, while in court, nodded in agreement regarding the state statute when it comes to DNA testing for those who are no longer behind bars. Essentially, they argued, according to the letter of the law, this case is now closed, the judge agreeing. However, Echols and his team saying they will continue in their effort to clear his name. Reporting in West Memphis, Arkansas, Jarita Patterson, WREG News Channel 3.
In fact, Echols' attorney says they plan to appeal this decision with the Arkansas Supreme Court. We'll let you know what happens.